Boston. DX1 Boston. Man, you came and claim my receipt. The big dog's way home. That way you'll know it's the Turner Plus.
I heard someone in there giving DX1 a shout. You got covered up there. Try it again. Radio station DX1, northeast corner.
Hey, radio station DX1. I don't know if we can make it up there. Mother Nature let us. DX1, Big Dog. We're standing by.
That's what I got.
All right, Big Dog. I think it was Big Dog I'm hearing out there. Big Dog, good morning. Big Dog, good morning. Hope you're hearing us okay out your way. Radio station DX1, northeast corner, Boston.
Yeah, I've got it. The sounding station, man, it's just great. It's all you that came in my receipt. So I hope you still have a copy. Have a great Saturday afternoon. Your friend, Big Dog, Liberty, Missouri, the old man. We're back out. Bye-bye.
All right, Big Dog, Missouri. Yeah, we got you. We got a little video gate going, too. You can catch us on YouTube, Radio DX1.